He is Naveen, and he will tell us something about the mine. Let's be careful, man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What mine is this?
Yeah, this is
Sandstone.
the sandstone mines
Yeah. And
situated at.
and what is this? Is this a drone?
Yeah, this is a drone.
So photography.
Yeah, it is going on.
So I'm told that blasting is going to take place now.
It has happened already.
The blasting is already happened.
Yeah.
Okay. And
It's
what
a
all?
controlled blasting basically we do here.
Controlled
to
blasting.
extract the overburden and all to make the blocks mineable.
Right. Okay. And can you tell me all those pipes they are going
These
just
are
to get the water
electrical
out?
cables and the motors for
Taking pump to take out the water.
waters.
Okay. And let's come this side.
This way.
So and here I can see all the fields are there.
Yes, this is
Right. So
basically land after the extraction of this 10 of the fits,
10 feet.
10 fits
Right.
of the soil, we get this material here.
Right. So all these fields
Yeah,
will be having
yeah,
the same
it's
this
all
thing.
having the same
So
formation.
the same
It's
this
all
thing.
having the same
So you
formation.
have to dig it out.
Yes, we
and
have to
find
dig
it
it out. Yes.
Okay. So let's.
Wires machines operate from this.
Okay. Now you tell me all these blocks. You're going to take it out. Are you going to process it over here?
No, we do only the domestic export of these blocks to Rajasthan, where the machineries for processing into the end use material.
So the cutting is done over here.
Yeah, we do the cutting for block mining only.
Okay. And can you tell me something about the wastage also?
Waste is we just throw it and we store in somewhere other places, like you can see this. Oh, that way. That
Right.
place. The wastage is
Oh,
stored
okay.
here.
So that's right on the top.
Yes.
Okay. So what do you do of that wastage?
As of now, we do not do anything about that because we don't have any technology to extract or the any other product to make it.
And can you throw some light on the rare earth material? Can we have something of that sort? Can we get it from?
May be find in after processing this material, but
You can find it.
yes, it is already confirmed that the deposit of rare earth elements is also available in this material, sandstones.
So why don't you extract it here then?
This is very
Tedious job.
tedious job. As of now, we don't have any technology.
Oh, okay.
And, we are searching
So
something
what will be the percentage? Will it be 1%, more than
maybe,
one?
below 1%.
Below 1%.
Yes, below 1%.
Maybe 0.5%.
Yes, maybe
Yeah. So but then technology is not there, and then we are just throwing it away.
throwing it away. Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you,
Really
sir. Thank you.
appreciate.
Thank you, sir.
Excellent. Thank you.